how to copy layers quickly to another document in Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So this is Photoshop, and we all know this is how this works. So this is a quick tutorial of the Photoshop. So I have opened two documents over here. So in one document I have these two rectangles placed on some places, and in the other document I have nothing placed. So it is a whole Squid Game logo, and in the other document it is just the logo with some rectangles on them. So if I want to copy these documents or these layers to another document, there are two ways that I am going to show you. First of that is that I am going to select these two layers by pressing on Control and selecting these two layers. So these two layers are now selected. I have to drag it up and take it to my new layer and paste it over here. Now it is both pasted over here, and I can set it by pressing Ctrl T. That is the shortcut for transform. So I can place it over here by doing this. So another thing that I can do is I can go back by, let me delete this first. I have deleted this now, and let me go back to the original one. As I go back here, I can go on to these two, and I have to select the one that I want to copy by clicking on Control, pressing on Control or Command on my Mac if it is a MacBook. Then I have to click on these layers that I want to select. Let's say I have selected these two layers. Then I have to right click. As I click right, there is an option of duplicate layers. I have to click on duplicate layers, and then I have to go to these two documents. So I have to go to the recovered ones, and then I have to hit OK. As I hit OK, now I go to the other one, and they are present over here with the same dimensions and same. I can transform it over here by pressing Ctrl T, and then I can transform them separately or even one. This is how you can copy and paste selected layers from one document to another. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.